In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new folder in Framer. We'll walk through this process from start to finish so you can keep your projects organized and easy to find. This is a simple workflow, but having a clear structure in place really helps as your workspace grows. First, open Framer and make sure you're in the main projects view, where you can see all of your existing projects and folders. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the sidebar. This is where Framer lists things like your teams, workspaces, and folders. Look carefully along this left sidebar for the option to create a new folder. It may appear as a button labeled New Folder, or as a small folder icon with a plus sign. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you click to add a new folder, Framer will prompt you to give it a name. A text field should appear, usually right inside the sidebar or in a small pop-up. Click inside that field and type in the name you want for your folder. It's a good idea to choose something specific and descriptive here, so that you and your team know exactly what belongs inside. For example, you might name it after a client, a project phase, or a campaign. Take a moment to think about how this folder fits into your overall structure. Consistent naming makes it much easier to stay organized later, especially if you'll be creating multiple folders. Once you're happy with the name you've typed in, you're ready to confirm it. To finish creating the folder, look for the button labeled Done. This may appear right next to the text field or at the bottom of the small dialog box. Click Done to save your new folder. After that, you should see the folder immediately appear in the left sidebar, ready for you to start using. You can now drag existing projects into it or create new projects directly inside that folder, depending on how you like to organize your work. And that's all there is to it. Open Framer and find the new folder option in the left sidebar. Type in a clear and descriptive folder name, then click Done to save it. Once you've done this a few times, adding folders will become second nature, and your Framer workspace will stay clean, organized, and much easier to manage.